seem to have here is what's common with our Hemi brackets. As you notice, at the one on the left, it's original, just received from client. Has no movement. The lever is locked up around the pin and it cannot move and work the power brake booster. There's a new unit that's been serviced. You have complete movement. This is your pedal link, which works your booster, and you notice that this one here is completely locked up. Right here, the pin and bracket, it's rusted together, and therefore you no longer have any more movement. So we have to pull it apart and try to get it unseized so that it'll be a serviceable unit. Thank you.